Hey everyone, Mobile Munch here. Today we're setting our sights on the Vivo S19 Pro, a phone that boasts a stunning design, powerful specs, and a focus on photography. We'll be taking a balanced look at this phone, highlighting its strengths and acknowledging any potential downsides to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Premium design and durability. The Vivo S19 Pro undeniably turns heads with its sleek and stylish design. It features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for incredibly fluid visuals. The phone boasts an impressive peak brightness of 4,500 nits, making it easy to view content even in bright sunlight. While the back is glass and the frame is plastic, the overall build feels solid and premium. An added bonus is the IP68, IP69K dust and water resistance, providing peace of mind against splashes and accidental dips. Powerful performance and storage options. Under the hood, the Vivo S19 Pro packs a punch with the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus processor. This processor, combined with 8GB to 16GB of RAM, depending on the configuration, ensures smooth multitasking and handles demanding games and applications with ease. With up to 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, you'll have ample space for all your apps, photos, and videos. Camera system for photo enthusiasts. The Vivo S19 Pro caters heavily to photo enthusiasts. The triple camera system on the back features a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, for capturing sharp and clear photos in any lighting condition. There's also a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom for getting closer to the action, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive landscapes. The 50-megapixel front-facing camera ensures high-quality selfies and video calls. It's important to note that while the camera system is impressive on paper, some users have reported needing to experiment with settings to achieve optimal results in low-light situations. Fast charging and battery life. The Vivo S19 Pro comes equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery, which should provide enough power to last you through a full day on a single charge with moderate usage. But when you do need to top up, the 80-watt fast charging technology will get you back up and running in no time. This is a definite plus for users who are on the go. A few considerations. While the Vivo S19 Pro boasts many impressive features, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The lack of a microSD card slot means you'll need to choose the storage option that best suits your needs up front. Additionally, some users may miss the convenience of a 3.5mm headphone jack. Is it the right phone for you? The Vivo S19 Pro is a compelling option for users who prioritize a stylish design, a powerful processor, and a camera system with a strong focus on photography. With its stunning display, long-lasting battery, and incredibly fast charging, it offers a feature-rich experience. However, if you need expandable storage or a headphone jack, you might want to consider other options. So that's our look at the Vivo S19 Pro. Do the strengths outweigh the potential drawbacks for you? Let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a smartphone. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.